Hey and welcome to Alpha One this Monday. I have now recently come home from the beach. I did just trade a little from the beach with my robots, but now we are back for good to make some real money. So I just had a session now for 1 hour where I basically share all my forex trades and binary option trades. So today, for example, I did 12 binary option trades that I did share with you all, that I did follow, and we won 9 of them. So personally, I did make $555. I did share all this, how much I did put in the trades and everything for my users. Also, I did 2 forex trades. The first trade, it got directly in take profit. The another one is still running a little in profit. So if you want to join this also, you find link below the video for my WhatsApp community and Telegram. In WhatsApp community, I give a little more information, plus you can chat directly with me if you want to do so. I do not talk with people, I don't have time for that, but you can write to me and I reply when I have time, okay? But now we are going to run Alpha 1 Max. It's a free binary option robot. This one do use smart again, so be aware of that. You can download this robot also, just use the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you help me out. Like this video, subscribe my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also included in the link when you download this binary option robot, either with the link you did see up or below the video, it's a 50% promo code directly in the link, but you need to deposit more than $100, so be aware of that. But now let's start up and see how much money we can make this time around. So you see I have the 2 robots here now, but we're going to go for the Alpha 1 Max. That's one used martingale, so it's a little more scary. It's not a robot that is super safe, but it's a robot that can make you a lot of money very fast. So now let's see if you can get in a trade. Sorry, my voice is not so good because I've been talking for 1 hour, because I also have a live session for paid users. But for free, you can just join me in WhatsApp and you get everything for free. I'm going to be for free forever. Basically, you can see everything I do there. Okay, first trade is in. Let's see. It's going deep in money. I think I'll just take a couple of trades. So let's change this one now for 1. Okay. Now let's see. Looks like we're going to lose the first trade. Completely okay. That's what we have a martingale for, right? So now we are in again. We were deep. We did go very deep in money, but we did shoot up again. So, but let's see how this one turn out. This looks much better already. I think you'll win this trade. And by the way, in the end, I hate when he restarts these things. He do that sometimes. It's this broker that do it. Reload this screen once in a while. It's a little annoying, but especially when I'm making a video. But there we won that trade. In the end, I will take one more trade, by the way. In the end, I will show the trades we have just did take, the win rate, how much profit, and all this good stuff, because I know you all like to see that. So let's let it take one more trade, and typically I will stop the video because I need to wait like 5-6 minutes for the statistics to come up. The trades, they will come right away, but the statistics where you show how much profit and these things take like 5-6 minutes after the last trade. So now let's see if we can get in one more trade. That will be nice. We just need to have some patience. If it takes too long, then I just stop it and we are happy with the one trade we got. Because personally I had an amazing day, by the way, as I did so good in the session today. So make sure you join, because you're allowed to copy what I'm doing. What I ask everyone to do, have some common sense. That when you see I do a trade for Forex, I show a picture of the trade, I give you the entry, stop loss, take profit, everything. The same with binary option. I give you a line that you can buy and sell at. So it's very easy to copy, but I want you only to copy if you agree on what I'm doing, okay? Because I feel that is fair, right? That if you agree what I'm doing, typically we print money in every session, but still I want you to agree. Because we are all grown-ups here, So if you don't agree with my trades, up to you, don't take it. But if you agree, cool, do it. And like today, if you're done today, you would have printed money like I did. So now it's taking a little too long. Let's wait 3 more bars, and if come no trades in 3 more bars, now it reload this screen again, super annoying. 3 more bars, and if you don't get a trade by 3 more bars, then we just stop. Then we will just go in and check the statistics and see how much money we made. We basically know, I think we made maybe around $70, something like that, I guess, as for 2 trades. But now let's see. Let's wait 1 more after this. After this green bar now, if you don't get 1 more trade after that, then we just stop. Yeah, because the robot is running. So now this bar we see now, if don't come 1 trade before this one close, then we stop and we'll see how much money we made. Let's do it like that. I will also give you an update about my cryptocurrency robot a little later today, and maybe I will run Alpha 1 iBot also for the ones that follow that type of robot. So typically I show 3 robots a day on this channel. I think I want to do some live sessions also later, but I want to have at least 50-100 people live with me, and I don't think I'm big enough for that yet. But if we can get to that level, I will happily trade in front of you so you can follow my trades live. Not just that I post you pictures and things like that and entry. You can basically be there trading live with me, and I think you would learn much more from that also. Now I've been waiting a little too long, so I think we just stop there now. Does not looks like we're going to get so much more trade from. We got 1 at least, happy with that. So now we just wait a little and we will see how much money we made. So there we have it. Now let's remove this robot thing to see a little better. So there you see, we made 60, let's call it $63. I'm pretty happy with that. So 2 trades, of course 50% win rate. That's what we have the martingale for, because then we are printing money, by the way. So I'm pretty happy with what we have done now, especially as we had the session also today. So you can download this robot also, just push this robot thing you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.